Hi everyone, today I'm unboxing the Redmi Monitor G Pro 27U, which I picked up from JD.com for about 2,700, roughly $380. Now I'm opening it up, let's see what's inside. The monitor stand, the main display, a power adapter, HDMI cable, the back cover plate, a user manual, and even battery with remote control. Let's look at the menu. Okay, I think I got the idea. Well, maybe. Now let's start assembling. The screen is protected by the cardboard sheet, which helps keep it safe. Here's the back cover plate.
You want to hit over?
Oh, to be honest, I will need it later because I felt it was a bit inconvenient. Okay, let's check on the ports. The blue one is USB 3, the black one is USB 2. There are two HDMI ports, one display port, and of course the power input. After putting everything together, this is how it looks. For reference, my desk is 120 centimeters long and 70 centimeters wide. Now let's power it on. The power plug was actually a bit hard to insert, so I removed the backup first. I recommend you doing the same. Just connect all the cables, then put the cover back. Unplugging the DP cables. Then the HDMI cable. Okay, the monitor turns on successfully. Next, let's pair the remote control. Just hold the button up with a blue circle until you hear a beep, and release it and wait. And pairing successful. I will skip logging into the Xiaomi account. Continue. And let's jump straight to the experience. By default, it boots into the TV system. Let's go into the settings and switch the language to English. Okay, let's browse around a bit. Alright, that's it for the TV system. Now let's test the monitor functions. I connect it to my MacBook Pro with the M2 Pro chip. Here are the supported resolutions and the refresh rates. Next, I tried an online screen test tool. Honestly, I don't really understand what those tests are doing, but I heard it's good to run them anyway. Now for the audio test. First, let's listen to the MacBook Pro's built-in speakers. and then compare it with the monitor speakers. The MacBook sounds better, but the monitor speakers are still okay. And that wraps up the unboxing. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. And if you want me to test specific features, let me know. I will try to cover them in a future video.